This is another Hampton Bay ceiling fan. This one is a 52 inches Hawkspur ceiling fan. This one has a matte black finish, and also no balls required. Is integrated LED light in it, and also has a remote control included in it. As you can see, this one, the dimensions are 52 inches wide by 10.2 inches in height. This is the way it looks. This one is the Hampton Bay. Remote is included with it, remote control. This one is indoor covered outdoor. So it's a 52 inches Hawkspur. Hawkspur is made by Hampton Bay. Hampton Bay. This is the way it looks in here. This is what it looks. There's more in details here. There's an airflow cubic feet per minute. There's a 3-speed wobble reversible quiet motor. 8 inches lead wire fit. Also our PC blades for durability with standy elements. Twist and lock light kit assembles in seconds. Doesn't take too long to assemble either. So this one, as you can see, for a large room, greater than 56 inches, 48 inches to 56 for large room. Small room needs like less than 48 inches. This is the Hampton Bay Hawkspur ceiling fan, matte black finish.